Movies lied to you. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Movies have ruined your perception of success. You watch a training montage. The hero wakes up, runs in the rain, lifts weights, and boom, 3 minutes later, he is a champion. It looks exciting. It looks fast. But in real life, there is no background music. There is no fast-forward button. There is only the silence of the morning and the pain of repetition. Real success is incredibly boring. It is doing the same thing at the same time every single day for years. If you are looking for excitement, go to a circus. Don't try to be successful. The plateau of boredom. James Clear talks about the plateau of latent potential. You work hard, but see no results. Feels like you are walking in a desert. This is where 99% of people quit. They say, I'm bored. This isn't fun anymore. I need a new passion. That is the voice of an amateur. Amateurs seek entertainment. Professionals seek consistency. Kobe Bryant didn't practice fancy dunks all day. He practiced basic footwork for hours until his feet bled. He was bored too, but he did it because boredom is the price of mastery. Boredom is a filter. Think of boredom as a gatekeeper. It stands at the door of success to keep the weak people out. It asks, are you serious enough to endure this monotony? If you quit because it's boring, the gatekeeper says, get out. You don't deserve the reward. But if you stay, if you fall in love with the boredom, the gate opens. The ability to do the same boring thing over and over again with focus is the only difference between the great and the good. Embrace the grind. Stop looking for the new shiny object. The magic is not in the new thing. It is in the 1000th repetition of the old thing. Don't run away from the grind. Embrace it. When you feel bored, smile and say, good, I am getting rid of my competition. Success is not a fireworks show. It is a slow-burning candle. Can you handle the silence? In the next video, we will turn your jealousy into fuel. Envy is a compass. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.